they were. Okay.
All right, so same thing as last time. We're in the temp folder. More fields this time. Right. All of those the company, all of those should be a code, all of the description. We need all those three things. Probably want the carrier as well with the default carrier for the should be a. Right. You don't have to load it, but if you have it, you load it. So that's what this carrier, right? You're not loading scat codes right now. Let's hold on a bit. Well, I'm looking for one more thing here. This should be itself. Okay, never mind. Yeah, the only ones you care about, if you want tracking URL and tracking number placeholder, you can load those as well. Actually, do both of those, and I'll show you what happens. Select both of those. And other than that, I don't think we need anything else. That's it. Good template. See that under customer. Oh, same under should be under customer folder, sorry.
Oh.
That file type going to be changed to an Excel or I actually install a converter on my computer to just make sure I have a file and convert to Excel.
Oh.
Just convert it to the file, say yes. All right. So you got your ship vias here. Let's just do one in here as well. I think every single one we should have at least one, so that you have a data set that you can work by. Let's see.
Company code is
200. Yeah. So ship via code itself. It's up to you how you want to structure these. A lot of times, what I see people just do is S0001, S0002, S0003. This is just code. Right? I think it allows 8 characters. You may only allow 4, in which case it's just S00. Actually, that's probably better. Description, this is where you put in what the actual ship is. Right? So you had FedEx Express. You didn't have FedEx Ground yet.
You haven't done FedEx Ground.
You can do /track/ We'll do another slash, and that's where the placeholder goes in. Because you got to put the placeholder inside the URL.
Oh.
Right, because what's going to be replaced. And sometimes you will actually use like open parentheses or something like that to put the placeholder in. Right, so you put something in there for placeholder, just literally call it placeholder.
Okay.
And then you have to put that same word in the tracking URL itself. So
oh, I see.
Right. Exactly. And then carrier would be 290. So whatever the carrier code is that you set at the carrier level. But you just set up that Genesis one, right?
Yeah.
Right. What was that code? It was GENS?
Yeah. Right.
So this is where it gets fun, right? Because you got to make sure that you remember these codes, because that's what has to go in here. You got to put the code for the carrier.
Oh.
Right. So if you had set up FedEx as a carrier, on the other one, and that was like carrier 001, so C001.
Right.
Then, so maybe make this Genesis as like Genesis Ground or something like that. No, so you already have S001 as the code.
Oh.
The description is where you want to put what the actual description of the carrier is.
Right.
Yeah. Spell wrong. That should be a CSV. That one.
Oh, I see.
No, so go back. File open. Okay, this one. No.
Oh, there.
Close it all. Go to the file. And delete the CSV.
Yeah.
That's probably won't let you because you haven't opened.
All right.
So Genesis to your description, you probably won't have nobody either, right? Okay. All right. So hit save on this. Now close all your Excel files.
Yes.
No.
No.
Save.
Get
Close.
out of here.
And then delete that extra ship via.
Shit, they should do that.
So it should be a source. There we go.
Yeah.
All right. So validate. Columns are good.
Yeah.
Process. Done.
Okay.
So pretty simple, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You just
Stop derping at the keyboard.
yeah. So we'll continue to go through these. I know it's kind of repetitive and it's kind of simple processes, but we need to get them done.
Nope, that's fine.
And I want to build them with you so that right there. Right. So builder. Okay. So you want the country. Right. So you see how there's a country number? You don't need a unique integer assigned by the system to new countries by the means.
Right.
So you don't need to actually use that one.
Okay.
If there's a fiscal code for the country, you can use it right now. Add one. Ship via code, check that off. Currency code, check that off.
Okay.
Scroll down a bit. That's it. Okay, check that though. This one's going to save it on customer as well for now. I won't step it out of your customer, but I'll save it there for now. I'll fill this after this to show you how the fill this works.
Okay. And all this country.
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 Now what I'll do is immediately save and close both and delete the other.
Yes.
Don't close the DMT tool.
Yeah, I just saw that.
You want that guy. Yeah, delete it. So it's going to be under your Epicor software folder.
Alright.
And you can log the test. Just send it over to classic style. I'll show you what it looks like. Here, like that. So uncheck classic style and point one. And the search functionality that we'll use. Just organize things differently, that's all.
Okay.
Alright, so you still have kind of the same thing here, but you have a management section. That's where you were. Right, so you're only saying that those were the top tabs previously.
Okay.
Right, and then you can kind of break in within those, but the next thing is the search function.
Okay.
Right, so we were just loading country. So actually, I'll show you how the search works. Go to the search section of type in country. Right, so right away it gives you the spot for the country, management sales country. So you can select that. And it opens up another tab. So you actually open up two tabs. So you can close the one. So now, so Actually, well, you can load the countries first, and that way we can get the file faster. Open, and then you should do. All right.
Yes, the country is two.
Cover the only two.
Description is the name of the country. Well, we're at Canada.
We're in Canada. You have Canada and US already. Load a third country. Sure. I'll use Canadian dollars as the currency. Or US dollars as the currency. Oh, Mexico. No.
Oh, that makes sense. Right. Okay, should be a code is. What do I use for should be a code?
Should be a code comes from your should be a table. Right? So one of the codes in that table is the standard default should be for this country. Right? What I think we should do is at some point create the best way should be a code.
Right.
And not just advocate the code. We're not using the point.
Okay.
Currency code order is required. The US dollars, currency code is USD. There you go. Save on that and then reload on your DMT. This. And if it doesn't error out, you should have to validate it again. It's a process. A lot of times it'll error a lot. A lot of people wonder why would it say country 2 finished or country 3 finished. The number of the tab at the top of your screen is denoted what country 2 means. Just means you open country twice.
Right.
It's essentially
It's the same.
So I wanted to say before you load it, if you uncheck that button right there, it does correct that complete log. See what's happening.
Okay.
Right. Simple as that. So let's make a simple playlist that'll be not used later, but I want to show you the playlist function. We'll add one line to each of these things, and then we'll open the playlist on the order and see what works. Right? So close that, search, and let's go to playlists. Right? So now we have to add a load to a playlist. Okay, right? So let's go ahead and hit add row. Right? So I want to import. Actually, go to source, sorry, and load in.